Let's make chicken pot pie. Dice up some chicken, add a little bit of olive oil, season your chicken. I'm using lemon pepper and salt. Adding carrots and celery, along with 1.5 cups of chicken stock, and boil for 25 minutes. Reduce the heat, whisk together 1.5 cups of water mixed with 1/4 cup of flour. Add in 1/3 cup of half and half. Butter 2 14-inch pie pans. Place down a sheet of puff pastry. Pour in your filling. Place another sheet of puff pastry on top. Make some openings in the top so it doesn't overflow. Brush melted butter along the top of the puff pastry. And I'm garnishing the top with rosemary. Place in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. And enjoy.